Hi friends, welcome to the Money Breeder. In this video, I am going to discuss about one interesting stock, the stock business and the technology in that stock they are using is looking like very interesting for me. Let's take example like one company which is making some fertilizers or crop protection materials. At the same time, same company acquires a drone company, the drones which are going to use for spraying the chemicals or spraying the nutrients across the land, across the farm. How it will be, that is what I am going to discuss in this video about the same company. Before going into the company details, this is the standard disclaimer. Please be mindful of it, and also I am not a SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Just I am sharing my knowledge and my learnings to you guys. This is not for the trading purpose. Okay, the company name is Coromandel, Coromandel International. Why I am interested in this company? See, the first motivation for me is momentum. I'll try to find the momentum. Most of the time, my chart is always I look for the weekly chart with the 20 moving average. Okay, this is the 200 moving average. This is just I will use for the intraday purpose. Okay, the price is above the 20 moving average on the weekly chart and having some pattern. That is the first point, first motivation for me to look into the stock details. Okay, the technical point of view, most of the time my pattern is very simple pattern. Okay, stock has to run up lot and have some consolidation. This is one pattern I use most of the time. This is the flag pattern, or the pattern which I use on handle, or I use inverse head and shoulder pattern, or some triangle pattern. Okay, some triangle pattern. In case of triangle pattern, it is coming from the bottom. I am going to use this triangle pattern. Okay, here these are the major pattern, everybody knows it. Okay, coming to this is the technical chart looking very strong, very good. Okay, it is having a pattern, and my simple thing is above the 20 moving average. Okay, my criteria done on the technical chart. Coming to the what motivating me to study the stock first. Okay, the stock was consolidation very long time. Okay, recently the the what I'm thinking, the stock acquired one company. That company name is, okay, this is where in the 2024. Okay, I was reading this article. Acquired additional 32.68 equity stake in, okay, Daksha unmanned system. What is this Daksha unmanned system? Is there is no manpower, that means mission. This is the mission, drone based startup company. Okay, drone based startup company, they acquired. How much they paid? Around 350 crore rupees paid. That is the one motivational point. And also the complex, uh, you know see here, right? The one more motivation is, okay, I the complex fertilizers. Okay, normally during eighth standard, right, in natural science we study some complex fertilizers. What are those complex fertilizers? NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, CHO, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, NPK, CHO, Ca, calcium, magnesium, sulfur. These are the main component, okay, main elements trees uses. In this these are the main elements trees, the plants which are going to use most. Okay, these 9 elements in that, right? NPK is the main element, nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Okay, with this combination only most of the time, and along with this ammonium, okay, urea. Okay, along with this combination most of the fertilizers components will be there. Those fertilizers component, this guy is the expert, the Coromandel International, and also these guys Andhra and the South India, especially in the South India, these guys are very famous. That is another motivation to study this talk. One more reason for this is, okay, you guys might be knowing CG power. Okay, the moment these guys are acquiring the drone company, the back end, this Coromandel is belongs to the, this Coromandel International is belongs to the Murugappa group. Okay, this Murugappa group having so many businesses, more than 10 businesses, listed companies are there. Okay, TI India one company, Cholamandalam group companies. Okay, and CG power. This CG power is semiconductor business, they started recently. Okay, along with this drone business also, they may come up with the they may support this company for the drone business. Okay, if this company along with this fertilizers and also they start selling the drones, okay, that is additional advantage for this company when it compares to it peats. Okay, this is another motivation for holding this company longer time. And also this correction, right? Nifty had a very good recent correction, which is like 10 percentage. But this company is not having any correction. Maybe we are not sure what is the motive behind this move. Okay, so by considering all these things, right, I feel this company is looking good. Okay, technical point of view it is looking good, and also fundamentally this group, okay, the company which belongs to the group Murugappa group, that group having the strong potential to invest in the new businesses, and also these guys are buying the drones. That is added advantage for this company compared to the its peers or its competitors. Okay, by considering all these things, I feel this company is going to be good bet for the long term if we invest in this company. Okay, this is coming to the entry levels, all those things, right? In case if somebody wanted to take the entry, okay, so please do your own study before entering into the stock. Just for the sake of technical analysis purpose, I am telling what is the previous low. The previous low is this one, okay, which is 1540. 1540 is the previous low. Normally we consider previous low as a stop loss. The current level, okay, wherever the previous high is breaking out, this is the entry. So if we are having this entry between this, right, the risk reward is not favor, so some small correction if it comes, we can take the entry in the stock by having the somewhere in this area, the 1:2 risk reward area. Okay, that's all friends. Thank you so much for watching my videos. uh, if you like this analysis, please press the like button. and also subscribe for my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.